how I almost lost my life because I dated a doctor, and not because he tried to practice surgery on me at home or the medical procedures on me at home. No, this man tried to kill me. You know what? These doctors they never beat these allegations at all. So I met this guy. I was in Hatfield. I was seeing another guy at that time. So the guy that I was seeing, let's call him N. I don't know, baby girl, go get food, whatever. So I took this guy's car. I went down to Hatfield to get food. I was at his place, right? Went down to Hatfield to get food. When I get there, I park next to Ekaya and I walk up to stairs. Sharp. Walk past this guy, grey AMG, and off I see he's talking to this girl with this long blonde wig. Walk past them, you know what, let them do the thing, none of my business. Sit in stairs. When I come back, not knowing that was me walking into drama, the end of my life. How lala shabo, guy throws bones, wang shela shela, hey, what's your name, yada yada yada. And I'm like, weren't you just talking to this hand that I walked past? No, this girl so she was trying to reach her friend using my phone on Instagram, yada yada yada. He gave me some bullshit story, but anyway, let's just go with it. Shab. So I agreed to give this guy my number because I knew that things were rocky between N and I, so things were coming to an end. So I gave this guy my number. I feed. So fine, Lala, we kick it. I get this guy and I exchange numbers. Fine, we kick it. It so happens that N and I really do end things. Fine. And I'm seeing this guy. So I ask him, what happened between you and your ex-girlfriend? And he gives me some crappy story. So he says, we never broke up. We just stopped talking and then things died out. That should have been my first red flag. I should have been like, child. I should have been out. But I stayed. Irregularly describing guy. He drives a grey AMG. His registration is his surname. He lives in one of the Bowen properties in Pretoria East, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Pretoria East. Uberka at a public hospital. So if ujolalena guy registration hay thomanka M. You will. So another thing hits me, but I stay. I'm like, hi, man. Why is it that I only get to see this guy? I only see him at night when the sun sets. I never get to see him during the day. We hardly talk during the day. Red flag number. But what did I do? I stayed. Red flag number 3. Our arguments were very, very heated. They are like normal couple arguments. Say, I don't like what you're doing, yada yada yada. But ours were like very heated. He would swear at me. He would tell me that I must go die in a ditch, yada yada yada. But I'm just like, no, he's just an angry guy. He has a mental disorder, and I must never pick a fight with him because it takes him off. To be honest, I was scared of this guy. Even the way he looked, I was scared of this guy. And listen, Jaja, Nana li Goldie, guy, mo, yo! Nongaring ka screama, nongaring ka khweletsa, nkaring. Fast forward like 2 months later, I realized that no man, this guy's not for me. This is really unhealthy. Mind you, this guy knew where I lived. I knew where he lived as well. I'm like, this is really unhealthy. I need to leave this relationship, right? So I say to him, listen, I'm out. This is unhealthy for me, mentally, emotionally as well. And I think it's getting a little out of hand. So I'm going to head out before it gets out of control. This was over a call. Anglat. He reversed from his house. He drove all the way to Johannesburg, to the estate I live in, and he started hooting at the gate. Beep, beep! Hey, get 28 missed calls. Hey, get about to 28 missed calls on my phone. I'm not lying. My baby, I'm not lying. I have voice recordings. I'm like to my friends. Hey, I'm like to my friends, I need to start collecting and spreading any type of information that I can find with this guy. Registration, I give him the make of the car, the color of the car, where he works, where he lives, his age, his photo, everything, because I thought that day was the end of me. Starts hooting at the gate. I eventually pick up the phone and he goes off. Lala, sek pelile. Yo, this man starts going off one Rohama phone and telling me I must open the gate. Now he's not calling me with his normal number because I'm not picking up anymore. He's calling me a private number. He's calling my work phone. It was out of control. Like, I was really, really scared. And that's when I said to myself, no more. No more. I think we had a back and forth for a good 20-30 minutes. The security guard, everything. And I'm like, I'm going down. I am going down. Just know you are going down. And that's when I say to myself, the doctor gardina level load shedding yana dina le shota school yana la so be careful. If utro journal doctor la knows, you must keep like something under your bed so you can just swing that thing at him, because what? And this was honestly really scary, and like it caused trauma, because these were threats, very intense threats over the phone, coming from someone that's not so far from me. And like, doctor, what if you mulela kante untletse ka di acid e ba ntshela ka acid, or what if ka mulela kante untletse ka those euthanizing injections and he pokes it in my neck and I die? No ways. So I lied to him and say, listen, I called the cops, yada, 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 because now I'm sitting on the phone with him this whole time. I don't have time to call the cops. Like, I'm scared out of my mind. I'm not even thinking straight. No, give us my police. Are they coming? Yada, yada, yada. And he eventually hangs up. The last call between him and I was, Offense, this was him. Offense, please don't report me. I really have a career. I just started and I have a child on the way with my ex-girlfriend. I'm like, I'm sorry. Are you talking to me? To put the cherry on top, this did not end here. When he got to wherever he was going, he created 2 fake Instagram accounts because I had blocked his other 2, the real ones. So he created fake ones and he started DMing me lyrics to songs. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. Oh, my darling, my dad would have loved you. I love you so much. Please forgive me, karamo. 6 feet under. I think una level cheating. I think una level skomotanyana so.